When it comes to advanced techniques for prompt engineering with intelligent document processing, I want to touch on a couple of items here. So, tabular data extraction is teaching AI to respect relationships, and this is something that we could all learn from. So for example, extract the line items table with preserved alignment and relationships. This is telling AI how to interpret the tabular data that you're giving it, and you're making it known that, hey, we need to preserve these relationships and the columns do matter here. When it comes to recursive decomposition, what the heck does that mean? It's just fancy talk for divide and conquer. So break complex documents into logical sections before the detailed abstraction. So think of this, let's say you're interpreting a legal document or an insurance form. You want to make sure that you're breaking it into specific sections, making sure that you've identified the section, and then doing detailed extraction to make sure that you're pulling the data from the right place. For specialized vocabulary, this prepares AI for the jargon that would confuse mere mortals, right? So this is very common in legal documents. This legal document may contain terms like indemnification and hereinafter. Have you ever tried to read a legal document and you're like, what is this talking about? This is where you're giving it specialized jargon about your industry. And that applies to things outside the legal document context as well. Maybe you're working in a specialized industry where you have your own glossary of terms. This is where you want to teach the agent your vocab. Positional context is like telling someone the TV remote is always on the right armrest of the couch, right? You're telling the AI agent where to find something or what it needs to pay special attention to in a particular document. In this example, hey, there's some special information in the top right corner. We want to make sure that you've got that.